Hey CAD learner, ever notice how real-world products rarely have sub-edges? In this tutorial, we will learn FreeCAD 1.0 Chamfer Tool to transform your 3D model. First, let's create practice object. Switch to partition workbench. This is partition workbench. And choose plan do you want. I choose XY plan. After that, you can make a sketch. I will make a square 100 and 100. Click enter. After this, you can click close. And click toolpath to extrude this sketch. I will extrude 50 millimeter for the sketch. Click OK. After that, we can use the chamfer tool. This is chamfer tool with blue and red icon. And there is 3 options in chamfer tool: equal distance, to distance, and distance and angle. We try one, equal distance. I will enter the dimension. I will make 5 millimeter chamfer for every edge. Click select and choose the edge. I will choose this. After that, you can check the preview with this click. Yeah, this is 5 millimeter chamfer. We can try the other option for chamfer. We can try to distance. we can try to distance. I will make 2 mm and 5 mm. Click select to try the chamfer. After that, you can click preview. Yeah, the result is this. Finally, distance and angle. We can try distance and angle. In this option, we can enter the size and the angle for the chamfer. Yeah, I will try to make a 15 and the angle is 45. Click OK, click preview. Yeah, this is the result. The size is 15 mm and the angle is 45. I will change to 30. I will try to 30. Select and preview. Yeah, this is 30 mm and use 45 angle. Okay, the function of chamfer is to reducing stress concentration, to safety while handling with operator, and to make easier path while assembly. Now it's your time to practice with Chamfer Tool. Yeah, show us your result in the comment. If this helped, smash that like button for more FreeCAD tutorial. Until next time, I hope you enjoy. Thanks very much.